In this video I will show you how to enable new taskbar visuals in Windows 11 Dev version OS build 25158 easily. Download vivetool, extract vivetool in C drive, Windows, SYSTM32 folder, link below in description. Type CMD and run as administrator. Copy and paste the command one by one, see the changes. See the features added successfully. Restart File Explorer. See it's working well. Copy and paste the second command. Restart File Explorer. See it's working well. Copy and paste the third command. Restart File Explorer. See it's working well. Copy and paste the fourth command. Restart File Explorer. See it's working well. Copy and paste the fifth command. Restart File Explorer. See it's working well. How to disable new taskbar visuals. Copy and paste the disable command. Restart File Explorer. See default visuals showing here. Don't forget like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching this video. See my recent videos clicking here. Like, comment, share my videos with friends. Thank you.